Comparing credit cards, the interest rates. Okay, so Peter is choosing between two credit cards. Card A has a no-fee interest rate of 22%. Card B is an annual fee of $60, which equates to $5 per month, and an interest rate of 19%. On average, he carries a monthly balance of $500. Okay, so let's look at card A, how much each. So basically what we want to figure out is how much will each card cost Peter each month. So card A, the monthly interest is 0.22, so it's 22% divided by 365, which is the days of the year, times 30, which is a month, right? How many days he's carrying a balance each month, which is every single month he has a balance of $500. So 0.22 divided by 365 equals times 30, 0.181. And then you times this since this is the percentage rate, times the 500. So this is what the percentage is going to be each month. So you times the 500 times 0.018 equals, it's about $9. I have 904 here. I must have added in that one, but it's about $9 is his total monthly cost for card A. Okay, that's carrying a $500 balance at 22%. And card B, so the interest is 19%, so it's 0.19 divided by 365, which gives you your daily interest, times 30, however many days are in the month, right? So the total is 0.016. So 500 times 0.0016. No, it's not. It's 0.016. 500 times 0.016 equals, it's about $8. Okay, so it'll cost $8 in interest for him to have this credit card per month. Also, it has a $5 fee. So $8 plus $5 equals a $13 fee. So card B will cost him more than card A each month, even though it has a lower interest rate. The $5 fee that it's going to cost him each month outweighs the lower interest rate. So therefore, Peter will pay less each month with card A. Again, because it costs him $9 compared to $13 for card B.